The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Alright? Yes, big up. Alright, so just some things I want to let you know about viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, first things first. I am going to present to you a video that will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica the video will be recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video will be recorded. Now, according to some things that a person said in the video, and according to some comments on social media, I got the understanding that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica had been accused of pepper spraying a female. Now, please bear in mind that there are more details to the whole situation, and if you listen to some things that a person said in this video, you might get a good understanding about the whole situation, alright? Now, please bear in mind that harsh language has been used in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Not Nata is a woman. A woman, she a breed, she pregnant, and the police woman spray the blood clot pepper spray in her face. And the woman pregnant. Everyone gonna go with the fuck. The man have been pitting in her car, man say, that's the gun off for the car, cause they pitting in her car. I organize the start because I go like people now can't talk or not right, now nothing at all. That's how they start blood clot, dead man, that's nothing at all, nothing dead too. And they not heart for nobody. That me notice we don't know, no heart. Serve and protect, I serve and I serve and kill. Oh, not serve and protect. Everyone will go with the same thing. Everyone fucking gonna go with the same thing. But someone got blood clot dead feet. So me know. Dead someone got dead feet, yeah. And I feel like everybody in the car ramp with woman bumbo club.
Alright, my people, now based on some things that I heard in that video, I got the understanding that someone in the video said that a police officer pepper sprayed a female who is pregnant. See? Now, I'm not saying that anyone is lying in viewers and subscribers, but if that female really and truly is pregnant and had been pepper sprayed by a police officer, then I'm wondering what could have caused for something like that to happen. See? But I don't have much details about that whole situation, so I'm going to leave it right there. You can let me know what you think about the video or the situation, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are asking for help in search for a missing 14-year-old girl. According to more information that I got, it is said that the 14-year-old girl goes by the name of Rosalie Davis. It is said that she is from Dembe, Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica. And it is said that she was last seen sometime within the month of October, the year 2021. It is said that she's of brown complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet tall. It is said that she was last seen in the Maypen Town Center, and her mode of dress at the time is unknown. The police within the country of Jamaica said in a release that all attempts to locate her have failed. Now, if anyone have any information that can help the police within the country of Jamaica to find this 14-year-old girl, please contact the police immediately. And I really and truly hope that she return home safe and sound to her family. Alright? Alright, so keep her in your prayers, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the old Ministry of Labour and Social Security building at the intersection of North and East Streets in central Kingston, Jamaica had caught on fire. Now, according to some information that I got, it is said that sometime after 1 a.m. on Tuesday, the 21st of December, the year 2021, firefighters from within the country of Jamaica could be seen at the location where the fire was at, battling the blaze. Alright? it is said that the cause of the fire was not yet immediately ascertained. However, it is said that the necessary authorities are doing their investigation to determine what caused the fire. All right. I did not get any confirmed information of anyone who died or got injured as a result of the fire. I'm not saying that nothing did not happen, but I'm just giving you the information that I got, viewers and subscribers. All right. All right. So with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, listen to me carefully. See, I saw a video that had been posted on social media months ago. Somehow started to get a buzz on social media again. Yes, I said again because the same video was getting a buzz on social media months ago when it had been posted, isn't it? Now, according to some comments on social media, I got the understanding that some persons might have believed that the video had been recently made and that the video is about a recent situation. See me? Now the video that I'm talking about, in that video, a female accused a female who goes by the name of Miss Donna of sending men to beat a female who goes by the name of Siloni on social media. See it? Viewers and subscribers, I saw where that same video had been posted on social media over 6 months ago. See it? Here's a screenshot of the video that I'm talking about, and here's a screenshot of somewhere where I saw the same video had been posted on social media over 7 months ago. You see it? Now, this is one evidence that sometimes people just see a video on social media and just run with it and don't know nothing about the video nor the story behind it. You see me I talk about people? See it? So, I just make you know what I go on. So with that, I'm not going to really play that video to you, my viewers and subscribers. However, I have a video I'm going to present to you. Now, the video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person talking about Miss Donna and Miss Donna's cakes. Yes, cakes. Yes, I mean, I say, in my point of view, according to some things that this person said, I think that he defended Miss Donna. Yeah, but anyways, take a look at this video, listen to the things that the person said in this video and observe.
You know what? I'm here this evening to defend somebody that I don't know. Don't know her, don't man from Adam. I only see her on social media. And for the longest time I've been trying to get one of her cakes. Because people talk so much about the cakes. You hear good things, you hear bad things about the cake. And for some, the cake is just a phenomenon. Call it what it is. The cake is a phenomenon, and the cake has gotten so popular now that them sell for $100 a piece. And, more power to the people that will spend $100 feet. Me not really gonna spend $100 for no damn cake. But, you know what? Me not nobody's hustle. Everybody is entitled to their hustle. Now, I have noticed that this cake assassination is going on social media, and I've heard people talking about the cake. Now, everybody's entitled to their opinion, but when something is getting vicious, when something gets vicious, it is unfair. It's unfair to the person. Now, I've been trying for a long time to get one Auntie Donna cake. Me ask friends, me ask family to get me the cake, and I couldn't get none of the cake, and finally I get my hand pan one Auntie Donna vegan cake. Okay? And also they sent me some other samples of the then they cut it up of the coconut, the ribena, and also the sorrel cake. Okay. Now, I've heard that people on the internet say, "Oh, the cake then dry and terrible and will kill you, and the cake then not taste good." Let me tell you something. The first thing that caught my attention about the cake was the smell. The smell, one, and then Let me make a zoom in on it. And then look at this cake. Tell me what you notice. Look at that. Okay? I always say people have cut it. And then the next thing that you might notice about it is, when I make a zoom in on it, like I'm what you see. I've always heard people talking about the first, you notice what I'm always say, you know, the smell, the rum, and then always say, sorry, how moist it is. True to form. True to form. Every single one of them is absolutely delicious. Delicious. Now, we got this one and we cut it. And I tasted it with a couple of my staff. And they all liked it, but them can't. And my cake. That is not really my cake. This is my business partner cake. And I brought it home. Now, guys, look at this. Just look, zoom into it and see. You see this? What you notice about it? It's moist. And I've always heard people, well, you know, it's moist. You ever hear them? It become repetitive now. Then you hear people talk about it. Boy, oh, it's moist. True. Moist. That's the first thing. The smell and the moist. And it tastes absolutely amazing. It tastes very, very good. Now, is it the best fruit cake I've ever had? But it is absolutely delicious. I mean, suppose I'm the cake neither, but I don't know what you put in it onto that, but the cake is very, very nice. The vegan cake is my favorite. You can't stop eating. Understand? I cut out 2 pieces and never eat it. And the foundation of me are fast. But I never help them at the restaurant, so I feel convinced, you know. But for wrap it in a 5 paper because I did not on the plate, there's something where they come in and flimsy man. But still, I'm not lying. The coconut one too, the coconut one, same thing. The coconut one is oh my god, the smell, look at it. That's the coconut cake. Look at it. It's not dry or anything. It's very nice, and the smell gets you. But to be honest with you guys, me fall in love with the vegan one. This is the Ribena. See, all of them have one thing in common, and this is the solid one. Nice, very good. I would get it again. A matter of fact, my brother is coming up for Christmas, and then make sure someone order 2 more cake. If you can get them. If you can get them, don't want it or not. Now listen, I'm an executive chef, and I'm partner and owner of 4 successful restaurants. One in Atlanta. I'm a minority partner in that restaurant in Atlanta, and a major partner in the 3 restaurants in Miami. Where I have a responsibility mainly for operations, menu development, and all of those things. Absolutely amazing cakes. Please, so when you review somebody, it's important not to assassinate their character. You know, never met Auntie Donna before, not looking to be our friend or anything. When we go to Jamaica, I'm going to try to say hello to her just because. But if you like, you can't either like it or dislike it. But don't lie. Don't lie on her. The cakes are really, really very good. Like I said, is Auntie Donna's cake the very best fruit cake I've ever had? No. It's not the very best fruit cake I've ever had, but it's an absolutely delicious, high quality, by. Alright? So just start the truth and let the truth remain where it is. The truth is something that is unchangeable. Can't change it, can't convert it. In the end, that's what it will.
My people, I believe that each and everyone have a right to their own opinion. You see me, because me see a video where a female described Miss Donna's cake in a very negative way of viewers and subscribers. Well, I shouldn't say in a very negative way. I mean, the female described Miss Donna's cake, or one of Miss Donna's cake, in negative ways, my people. You see me, I say. However, that's one person. No, I just presented to you a video, and in that video, a person talk about Miss Donna's cakes. Might not be all of them, but in talk about Miss Donna's cakes. You see how the thing go? Yeah, so you hear the things them where go on? Yeah. People, accurate information me bring to you every time, alright? So I ask some have left it. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you or talked to you about in this video. Yeah, you can let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you as well about in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.